Hi, my name is Tara, and I am a certified Monday.com expert. And I just want to walk you through a workflow that I set up for a company that they have webinar and events. So as you see, we start out with a form, and any host who wants to have an event, they need to fill out this form. So we're just going to go through this quickly. So I'm just going to call it Tara Event, and I'm going to pick the date and my time and what kind of event am I hosting. I am hosting a webinar, and my clients will be hosting. I'm just going to add in some fake information. Put in my name, Tara, my title, my email. I'm going to add a headshot. How many self-gen links do I need? I need one. And here I set up a conditional logic about how many speakers I need. So depending on how many speakers I need, the new fields will pop up. So here I'm only going to mark one speaker. And then here you see this popped up, the name of the person. I'm going to give a title, an email. Okay, and I don't need any more information or any files, so I'm going to submit this form. Now what happens is I submit this form, and the team receives this board, this item you can see right here on the incoming requests. And what automatically happens is it's marked as not started when it comes in, and it's assigned to a person. So that way he knows that this is his task. Now I just want to show you all the information that I filled out on the form is all here. See the details, the time, the name, who it's for, all of the information. So it's all here on this board, so everyone can do whatever they need with this board. Now I'm going to assign a date to this, to when we need to get this task done. I may fill in a few. Also, if it's a Zoom link, would fill in a Zoom link here. Now, when I'm done, when this person over here is done with their part, they are going to say that the request was approved. Once the request is approved for this event, you see that it moves to the next group called Create Marketing Material, and that's moved to the designer. And now he has all of the information over here that he needs in order to create the materials. Now, once that's done, then I'm going to mark materials completed, and I'm going to continue down the path into sign off. Now, what happens here is the host needs to sign off on the material. So as you see, it goes back to the project manager. The status is not started. And then it switches to waiting for approval because an email is sent out to the host, who we have their email in this email column, saying, here are your materials, which I forgot to add. They'll be added in the final files. And in the email, it says, hi, Tara, here are your final files. Please approve them. Once it's approved, and this is all connected, automated through Monday. Once this is approved, so I'm going to mark as approved by host. And then what happens is it moves to upload to website. Now, upload to website is something that our dev team does. So we see that it changed person to our developer, and it's marked as not started. Now, again, all this you see is all automations. Once the developer is done with their work, if it's a website link, they're also going to add the website link here. And then, they're going to add it no matter what, even if it's a Zoom. And then they are going to click on event uploaded. And then you see that it's going to go into the promotion group. This is, again, it's switch to the person who handles the marketing, and it's switched to not started. Now, when he's done, once the promotion is done, he is going to mark it as promotion complete. And there's an automation, you can't see it here, but there's an automation that says 1 day after the event date. Because here we have the webinar date. 1 day after that, it's going to move this to this group. Once it moves it to this group, it's also going to mark it. I just can't show you because the date didn't pass. So it's going to mark it as not started, and it's going to assign the relevant person to this who has to upload the recording. This is the project manager. Once the recording is uploaded, so here I have a status recording uploaded. And now it has to go back to the developer because the developer now needs to embed the recording in the website. So so it's back at the developer. He has it not started, and he embeds it in the website. Then he marks it as done, and it goes into our group called completed webinars. So this is the whole flow. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy.